Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. I would like to say thanks to Global Spoken English for giving me an opportunity to hone my pronunciation skills. My name is Alkama Fatma and I belong to Bhosri. I am learning English speaking from Global Spoken English. Today I am going to deliver a speech on success. I want to start my speech with some wonderful lines. Great dreams of the great dreamers are always transcended. महान सपने देखने वालों के महान सपने हमेशा पूरे होते हैं. You have to dream before your dreams can come true. इससे पहले कि सपने सच हों, आपको सपने देखने होंगे. Now I am going to start my speech. We all know that being successful has its price. And the people on the top can often be alone because of the many sacrifices they had to make to get there. There are also countless examples of people who achieve success professionally, but their health and social needs fail because they cannot handle the strain that comes with maintaining that image of perfection that is expected of them. There is also psychological pressure any person can experience when they become obsessed with succeeding in the things they do. Not mention the depression some people experience when they come in contact with images of people that exist on social media. There is a lot in being successful that we put under the carpet or we just consider it as a part of the game. Something that we should fear. It does not have to be that way. Before finishing my speech, I would like to say something. If you work hard, you will get success. I conclude my speech thanking you all for listening to me patiently. Thank you so much and have a nice day.